Hello everyone, this is Sivaram and I love to cook. Today I'm going to make a vegetable tagine. A wonderful Moroccan favorite, tagines are impressive and easy to make. The dried apricot and the spice mix adds the really authentic flavor, and you can leave it bubbling away to fill the house with the scent of Morocco as you prepare the accompaniment of a couscous, which is posted in another video. Do hit the subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of all new videos being posted. For the Moroccan spice mix, turmeric, white pepper, allspices, cinnamon, coriander, ground ginger and cumin, and we mix all of them together. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil on medium to high heat. Add the eggplants and let it get brown. Now we add the shallots and the bell pepper. Add the garlic. Add the vegetables with the garlic and mix it up. Add the spice powder which we made and give it a stir. Add salt to taste and mix well. Add chopped tomatoes and the vegetable stock. Mix well. It's now simmering. We add the apricots. We now cover it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. It's 30 minutes now. We add in the chickpeas and give it a stir and let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. We now also add the eggplant which we had earlier browned. The tagine is now ready, so we garnish it with coriander leaves.